Yeah, still 31st October. Focus. Used my short welding stands to block up my tiller. That's working out pretty good. The little green jack stands are about 2 inches too short. This is the right wheel and tire. It came off easily. Wrapped a chain around it. Used some 2x4 blocking on the inside. And part of my very large 2-jaw gear puller to wrap the chain around and lock it on. My big 1/2 inch high torque wrench. It came right off. Well, sorta. It took some torque to get it off, but it did come off. Look at that axle. It's clean, discolored, but not crusty. And we go around here. Discolored and crusty. For some reason, the left axle had more rust buildup than the right axle. Go figure. But now all I'm trying to do is get to that seal right there on each side. That's the axle seal. They're 50 years old. They need replacing. While I got the wheels and tires off, I'm going to drain the main gear case oil. It's a good time to do it. Got plenty of room. And then keep on resealing, regasketing, changing fluids. But yeah. So now I got a spare tire and wheel for the right side. If I ever have a flat on the right side, I'm set. Yeah, it's crazy. But it's off. That's the main thing. I'll clean up my mess. Put away the tools I'm not going to be needing. Pop the drain plug on the gear case and start draining oil. And get the oil drained, then I'll see about cleaning up the well, I'll clean up the axles anytime, but after the oil is drained is when I'll pop the axle seals off so oil don't go everywhere. But yeah, crazy. This stuff, working on old stuff, you just never know. Sometimes it'll cooperate, sometimes it won't. That left side did not want to cooperate. I guess it's having pity on me because the right side was fairly easy. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just going to clean up my mess. That's all for this one. Thank you.